Meet Power One, a complete suite of website apps and plugins like pop-ups, forms, countdown timers, media galleries, reviews, and payment buttons you can add to your website with no coding. Start by choosing goals such as collecting more leads or building trust. There are hundreds of pre-built templates to choose from, saving you valuable time. Simply add your brand colors and style in our custom editor, and you're ready for upload. Power One is integrated with all the popular site builders like Squarespace, Wix, and WordPress. Our support team is standing by to address any issues. With over 10,000 5-star ratings, you're in good hands. Start your 14-day free trial today. Power One, built for small businesses.